Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we are discussing the food constituents, and now we are discussing the properties of the fats and oil. Remember that the fats and oil provides energy to the body on consumption. They almost provide double amount of energy to the body if consumed. That is 9.1 kilocalorie per gram. They don't provide structural support to the plants and to the animals. The structural support to the plants is provided by the cellulose, and to the animals it is provided by the proteins. While the fats and oil perform some other functions, such as they protect the organs from the injuries. They perform as an insulator, that is, they protect the body organs from the heat or from the cold of the outer atmosphere. If the substance is liquid at ambient temperature, it will be called oil, and if it is solid, it will be called fats. If it is oil, remember that there will be the number of unsaturation will be high, and if there is and there will be greater amount of the double bonds. If it is solid at ambient temperature, it means the degree of unsaturation will be low and there will be low number of double bonds. Remember that fats have some double bonds and oil have some single bonds. But the number of the double bonds and the single bonds respectively in the fats and oil are not that much, which may affect the structure of the fats and oil or of the properties of the fats and oil. They don't have any short melting point, that is, they melt on heating. The melting started on heating the fats and oil. If there are double bonds and the hydrogen is added, the double bonds will turn into single bonds and will become saturated and the shape will be changed. And remember that there are some phospholipids, and the phospholipids facilitate the passage of the fats in and out of the cells. That is, the phospholipids perform the easy passage of the fats and oil in and out of the cells. The basic organs are protected by the fats and oil and they serve as insulator. The term fats indicates that it is solid and the term oil indicates that it is liquid at ambient or room temperature. Moreover, if it is obtained from the plants, remember mostly it will be oil, but if it is obtained from the animal source, they will be of the fat form. They can be termed softer on heating. If the chain length is short, it will be soft. If the double bonds are greater, it will be soft. If the chain length is long, it will be hard. If the double bonds are low, it will be hard. If it is unsaturated, it will be hard. And they also exhibit another property, that is isomerism, in which they have the same molecular weight but different arrangements will lead to different chemical and physical properties. This is called isomerism, which is performed by the fats and oil. Remember that they also form emulsions. Emulsions are basically, as it is clear that the fats are soluble in the organic substances while the other substances are not soluble in the water. They are not soluble in the water but are soluble in the organic substances. But when they are dissolved or solved in the water, such as the suspended particles of water in the butter or the fat in the milk, it is called emulsion. This is also exhibited by the fats and oil. This property is also exhibited by them. And in the coming lecture, we will discuss the rancidity and the types of rancidity, and after that we will discuss the vitamins. Thank you.